It's really looking like this is Shiba Inu's year because so many crazy good things have been happening within the ecosystem in just a few days. In addition to all of that, we should be getting Shibarium soon, and with that launch should come a number of interesting developments for Shib, especially a price skyrocketing. We'll be discussing all of that in today's video, so make sure to keep watching. Disclaimer: to start with, Shiba Inu has finally eliminated that zero. It was just yesterday that we were talking about Shib being close to dropping a zero, and you must have picked that up if you watched that video. Just a couple of hours after that video went up, Shib dropped the zero that it picked up right after the FTX collapse. This could very well be the bullish sign that we've been waiting for. That sounds even more plausible when you consider how high Shib had to pump to drop that zero. We're looking at a 27% surge in price within a week, with more than 10% of that happening within 24 hours. Granted, this price pump looks to be a crypto-wide thing, but it is still something worth celebrating that Shib is one of the tokens that pumped. Plus, experts have said that there are events that could have contributed to Shib specifically pumping. One of those events is the Binance staking. That is, the fact that Binance recently staked 4 trillion on SHIBASWAP, removing them from circulation, must have contributed to the price pump. Something else that has been mentioned as a contributing factor is CoinGate's expansion of Shib's use cases. As you probably remember, CoinGate recently partnered with Wix to enable merchants in many areas of Europe to accept payment in Shib, and this update must have encouraged people to purchase Shib. Thankfully, analysts expect Shib to continue on this path of price pumps and rise in value. This is coming from the fact that Shib has been consistent with its price climbs. I mentioned yesterday that Shib has really not dropped at any point this year, but recent analysis has shown that this has been going on for even longer. Apparently, Shib has been up by more than 19% for the last 30 days. That's huge. With all of these price pumps happening, Shib's market cap has been increasing as well. Right now, the total value of Shib stands at around $5.8 billion. Making it the 15th largest crypto by market cap. Something else that is up right now is Shib's 24-hour trading volume, which is up by more than 60%. Considering all of these, it is easy to see why analysts are saying Shib is on a roll and should continue on that roll for a while. Shannon Bray, a blockchain activist, thinks so as well. He took to Twitter to express his thoughts concerning Shib and its future, and according to Coin Edition, the tech entrepreneur and blockchain advocate Shannon Bray took to Twitter on January 14th to share his opinion about Shib. Bray stated that although Shib is currently sitting in the 15th position in terms of market cap, he believes that Shib will soon start climbing the ranks. It is great to see Shib pump like this, and also great to hear people talk about its prospects. And these prospects would get even better once Shibarium is launched. This is something else that analysts agree on. Basically, everybody agrees that if Shib can pump this high in a short time, and even delete a zero without Shibarium, the launch of Shibarium would make the price hikes even crazier. Now, the reason everybody expects this to happen is because basically everybody understands what role Shibarium is supposed to play within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Of course, its major role is to serve as a layer 2 platform for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This basically means that while it will still exist on a blockchain, Ethereum, a lot of Shiba Inu transactions will be carried on the layer 2 platform Shibarium. But the implication of this is that Shiba Inu transactions would be a lot faster because a lot of the burden would have been taken off the original blockchain. So Shibarium is basically there to assist Ethereum with Shiba Inu transactions, making things happen quicker, as I mentioned earlier. Now, with blockchains, quicker transactions are less expensive because they don't take as much time and don't use as many resources. So the launch of Shibarium should result in quicker and cheaper Shiba Inu transactions. This should then attract more people to the ecosystem because humans love things that happen as quickly as possible without costing so much money. And if more people are purchasing Shib, that would automatically send the price of Shib skyrocketing. But that's not the only way that Shibarium is supposed to be good for the price of Shib. Because Shib transactions will be less expensive, we might see more Shib burns. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! Also, there's now a membership option on this channel. Becoming a member gives you access to a private group chat with me where we get to discuss crypto gems, finances, and success. If you are interested, hit the membership button. First off, more people might be willing to burn SHIB because the gas fees are not that high. And then, people might be willing to burn more than they normally do. Also because the gas fees won't be that high. The fact that Shibarium will come with a feature that actually burns SHIB just makes things even better. And as you already know, we need to drastically cut down the circulating supply of SHIB. So yeah, this year could be Shiba Inu's year, especially if Shibarium gets launched and gets launched early. About that, we still do not have a specific launch date, but the dev team seems to be making moves that suggest that Shibarium will be launched soon. It's really just the fact that there's now a dedicated Shibarium Twitter page, and the updates that the dev team has been giving sound quite urgent. Anyway, whenever we get an official launch date, you can be sure that you'll get that information here. I should quickly mention that considering all that Shibarium is meant to offer the Shiba Inu ecosystem, as just explained, and the fact that the Layer 2 platform should be happening soon, you can start to understand why whales' interest in SHIB seems to have really spiked in recent times. They most probably want to get into the market with as much money as possible before Shibarium gets launched and spikes the price of SHIB. Who wouldn't? That said, please bear in mind that this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. One last thing before we call it a day here. I mentioned earlier that SHIB is not the only crypto that has been enjoying price pumps. Many other cryptos have been as well, including the OG crypto Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at above $21,000, a price point that it has not hit in many weeks. So, understandably, analysts are trying to figure out whether or not this is a sign that the bear market is finally over. What's more, Bitcoin's price pump has boosted the confidence of cryptocurrency investors who had been rocked by the failure of numerous well-known crypto firms, including the now bankrupt FTX. However, not everybody is happy about this price pump, but it's just because they left the market before these price pumps happened. Apparently, a number of people liquidated their Bitcoin soon after the FTX collapse, but it isn't just Bitcoin that lost holders in the wake of that collapse. FTX caused many to lose faith in cryptocurrency, forcing them to sell their holdings. Even SHIB lost a number of holders as a result. Those are the people that are not happy about Bitcoin and the wider crypto market looking like it is on its way to a bullish run. But why is the Bitcoin price pump happening now? Well, analysts say that it might have something to do with the fact that the inflation rate has dropped. MarketWatch writes that crypto assets performed well following the soft CPI print, suggesting that crypto's correlation to macro is not going away anytime soon. Sean Farrell, head of the digital asset strategy at Fundstrat, told Bloomberg, "This week's follow-through in price action is certainly encouraging, and barring any forced liquidations from the troubled crypto company DCG, there is a high probability that the absolute bottom is in for crypto prices." What do you think? Could we be seeing the end of the very long crypto winter? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.